Hey everyone! In this video we are gonna build BRX02 Series 3 Land Rover. We'll have unboxing, review of kit parts, painting, and some other cool things that we do to our RC cars. So let's do it! This kit package impressed me. It's very well done. Instruction book is nice. Everything is numbered, marked, and illustrated. I decided to follow the manual and build this car according to all suggested steps. There is two options of building this car. One is pickup with a roof, and another is just an open truck. This time I decided to build it as an open truck because it has a very nice detailed interior and I want it to be visible. I will also make a driver move his hand and turn the steering wheel while driving. Let's paint it. I use NC car paint, thinner base. There are multiple different kinds of paints that can be used to paint RC cars, but I use this one because I just know how to work with it and it gives very nice finishing. If you guys want me to make a video of how to use this kind of paint with some tips and tricks that I know, just subscribe and let me know in comments. I built this car for a friend and he wants it to look like a restored old car, so it's his choice of color scheme. Alright, it's dry and it's time to remove a masking tape. Normally it takes like 3-4 hours to completely dry the paint. I usually keep it for a bit longer. All the parts of this kit are very high quality. It is designed to be fixed with glue, screws or clips. So I glued this grill. It's made of metal, by the way, and the lights I'm going to fix with the tiny screws. You see all these chrome parts? I did not paint it. It comes chrome with kit, ready-made. Screwdriver time. These screws are so tiny. It's good to have a magnet on a screwdriver. There are a lot of parts that will be fixed with screws, and tools with magnet helps to avoid losing these tiny screws. Ideally, it would be perfect to have a electronic screwdriver, but at the moment I was making this video, my battery was not charged. I really love that all the hatches, doors and hinges in this car are functional, so everything opens and it makes this car like a display model, you know, sort of die-cast. The kit has stickers for logo, signage, buttons and gauges, but here I use a different dashboard applications because I want to have a lights in it. If you're interested, let me know in comments and I will make a separate video where I'll show how to install basic lighting systems on the car. Nowadays we can get a lot of cool electronic things for RC cars. For example, animated driver that will move a steering wheel, change gears, push clutch and accelerator pedals. Or there is a kit with moving wipers, or there are lights circuits with turn indicators, stop lights, fog lights, engine sound imitator. And to fix all those things on your RC car, you don't need to be an electronic engineer. Alright, fixing the stop lights and back door and all those nice features. Small trick here, as you can see, I use a super glue pin to hold the light on its place. Otherwise it kept falling from that nest whenever I tried to fix it. Because I will be able to open the bonnet, I decided to do a nice detailed engine for this car. You'll see how I have done it later in this video. To make steering wheel move, I installed a tiny servo inside this dash. Boom Racing do excellent door hinges. Very nice and very easy to install. I also love Boom Racing mounting system. When you are on the trail, it's important to have easy access to your chassis to change battery or to fix something. Tiny little mirror. It's not a sticker, it's made of plastic, hard plastic. The side mirrors itself are sort of rubber, so it's very good because it will not be broken in case you're driving through some high grass or bushes. Okay, I've got the engine. This engine kit is actually made for BRX02 Series 2, and that body and chassis is different from Series 3, so I had to do modifications in order to fit it under the bonnet. Here we go, done. Oops, I forgot to add liquid. This is just a dishwasher soap. Okay, that is what it looks like assembled. Let's close all these doors and bonnets and see how it works. Oh yes, tissues, very important detail. Right, thank you for watching. Subscribe